In this video, we'll discuss the hunting graph in advanced hunting and how you can get started using it. This feature allows you to conduct threat hunting and incident response easier and more intuitively, improving efficiency and the ability to assess possible security issues. Let's begin by discussing how the hunting graph in advanced hunting works. Starting in the Defender portal, Hunting Graph can be found by selecting Investigation and Response, then Hunting, and Advanced Hunting. Within Advanced Hunting, analysts often rely on Custo Query Language (KQL) queries to uncover relationships between entities, which can often be time-consuming and prone to oversights. Hunting Graph provides predefined scenarios that allow you to enter a few parameters to quickly generate graphs that you can use to understand the situation in your environment. To open a new hunting graph, select the Create New or plus icon and then choose Hunting Graph. A new tab will open labeled New Graph, ready for you to hunt using the predefined scenarios. Now we'll go through how to use the hunting graph in advanced hunting. There are prerequisites to using the hunting graph, however, so be sure to check the Learn documentation first. From the New Graph tab that we opened, choose Search with Predefined Scenarios to start hunting. These are pre-built common scenarios over graph-modeled data to help you find connections that are hard to trace using KQL queries in advanced hunting. A side panel will then appear, allowing you to select a scenario to hunt on. From here, you can select a card or search for a specific scenario. We can also filter the scenarios by tactic. I'll select the Lateral Movement tactic. Now only the scenarios related to this tactic are shown. From the options available, I'll select the Paths to Sensitive Identities scenario card. After this scenario is chosen, additional filters appear. You can adjust these as needed. I'll leave them as they are. Once you've applied any necessary inputs and filters to your selected scenario, select Run to render the graph. Once the graph is loaded, you can explore it further by selecting Nodes and Edges to view more information about entities and relationships. Hunting Graph uses these nodes and edges to show entities in your environment, such as a device, user account, or IP address, and their relationships or connection properties. You can also expand and focus on certain entities. From the graph, selecting the plus icon next to an entity lets you explore further connections of that entity. Lastly, the lower right corner of the graph has controls that let you zoom in and zoom out, as well as the option to view the graph's layers. The Hunting Graph in Advanced Hunting provides visualization capabilities by rendering threat scenarios as interactive graphs. This makes exploration of security data simpler and faster by visualizing relationships between entities. It also allows you to trace paths and possible choke points, as well as surface insights and take various actions based on the results that tabular queries might miss. To learn more about using the hunting graph in advanced hunting, visit aka.ms/huntinggraph. Microsoft Security.